Most business founders believe that without loan, they cannot run a successful business. Businesses don't fail because the ideas of the business was not good. They fail oftentimes because they ran out of cash. My name is Helen, and if you are seeing me for the first time on this channel, we teach how to earn, how to save, and how to spend your money wisely. So in today's video, I'm going to show you practical ways to fund your business or to start a business without getting loan. Number one is bootstrapping. Bootstrapping is using your own money or your own savings or cash flow without getting a loan. It is often the best method because loan pressure is taken out of it. You don't answer to anybody. Financial pressure, trying to repay a loan back is not there since it is your money. You use your own cash flow. Either money you have saved before in your portfolio, then you use that money to fund your business. And there is no pressure for you to pay back while still trying to generate revenue for your business. You have to understand that in bootstrapping, you cannot afford to spend the money blindly. You have to understand how to use the money. You have to focus on the most important things. Cut expenses. Delay, fancy offices. Delay hiring employees to help you. You can just ensure that the money is wisely used. Focus on things that directly brings in the revenue. Ensure that you minimize your costs while focusing on the profits, marginalization. Number two method is from friends and family. This is the most commonly used method in the early days, especially here in Nigeria. If you use this method of getting money from your friends and family, you must treat it like a real business transaction. See, oftentimes we take it for granted. People say something like, after all, it's my daddy. After all, it's my mommy that gave me the money. After all, it's my uncle. And we believe that because we are getting the money from our parents or from our friends, we often take it for granted. Please don't do that. If you are getting money to fund your business, if you have the opportunity to get money from your friends or your family members, please treat it well. Treat them well. Let them know that you really mean business. Know all the risk involved in your business. Know how to go about it. Know people that you are competing with. Know how the business runs in your environment or in your country or wherever you think you want to run the business. Ensure that they see you, they see what you have written. Write it clearly how you are running the business so that you will be accountable to yourself and be accountable to them. So treat it like a real business transaction. Please never take them for granted. And please be clear, the money they are giving to you, is it loaned to you or it is granted? So that you will know how you are going to go about it. Even if it is loaned to you, I am sure it is not with interest. Because most Nigerian families will not do that. They will give you the money and say, in our culture, in Yoruba, they will say, Afida Olokowu, like it is money they are giving you to go and start up in life. So, and oftentimes I see people use this money like it is something that is just given to them on a platter of gold. Please don't try that. If you are getting money from your friends and family members, ensure that this money is well utilized. So the third way to generate fund for your business, to generate money or to get money for your business without taking a loan is to collaborate. Yes, you can collaborate with people. You can find 2, 3 honest people or one honest person. Come together, share your idea with them. The idea you have, share the business idea with them. It is better for you to share your idea with people that can help you execute it than to have it within you and the idea just dies like that. Example of, this man, Jack Ma, the owner of Alibaba. I listened to him how he started this story, and he said he doesn't even know how to operate computer when he wanted to start his company. But he brought people together. He said like 9 people in the sitting room, and he shared the idea with them. They all bought into the idea, and look at where Alibaba is today. Check PayPal, check other businesses that are flourishing today. It's because they decided to bring 1 or 2 persons that has the resources that they don't have. See where they are today. Most of those companies that you are hearing their names today, they don't even own 100% of the total shares of that company, no. Some of them also maybe only 20%, less than 20%. And the business is out all over the world. And if you want to ask who the idea came from, their name will be mentioned. But that doesn't mean they are the only one who owns the company. So you can also do like that. You can use this type of method and you will see that eventually it's going to work for you. Now, all you need to do for this type of method to work is just to do it legally. Just ensure that you have a legal representative, somebody who can help you do the thing on paper legally, so that at the end of the day you know how to share profit and how to go about the business, the running around. See, if you have 10% of 1 billion, it's better than having 100% of thousands. I used to do the mathematics now. The thing is different. Please, if you have not liked this video yet, help me click on the like button and like the video, so that just give it a thumbs up, so that the YouTube algorithm can know that this channel is giving out value. The number 4 ways to fund your business without borrowing is to fund your business from your current job. If you are currently earning from somewhere, you can start funding the business gradually using the principles of gradualism without borrowing. Just ensure that you have a quota that you have set aside to use to fund the business you are about to do without resigning from your current job. And please don't make this mistake, because some people, they will go and borrow to say they will be paying back from what they are currently earning. For example, maybe they borrow a bank loan, they've taken loan from a bank, and the bank will be taking the money or deducting the money every month from their current salary. And at the end of the day, they won't have what to depend on from the salary again, and the business has not yet stabilized to start giving them money that they can. Money has not started flowing, because when you are starting a business, you are supposed to start and ensure that you are pumping back whatever the business is generating, at least for the first 3 years. You're supposed to be putting back whatever the business is giving you back into the business. So you can start funding your business or the idea that you have. Start buying the equipment you need gradually, or start, just start it one after the other, one step, just gradually. Don't rush into it and say, I want to go and borrow 5 million naira from my current job and they will be deducting the money, the business will boom. Don't forget that before people will recognize you, before people will know you, before they will know who you are and trust your brand, it's going to take a little while. Don't forget that. So when you are starting out, you can fund your business from whatever it is your current job is giving you. So the number 5 ways I'm sharing with you is through grants. Yes, you can get government grants, and we have some foundations who gives grants. You can check online, just research and check for people who can give out grants. And Bank of Industry too gives out grants to businesses, SMEs. Go to your state capital or go to your state, wherever, just go and Google, search it out, where the Bank of Industry is in your state. They are in every state. So you can go. I live in Oyo State and I've gone there before. I have to just go there. If you go there, dress properly, enter their office. If they say, well, who are you looking for? You know how to approach them. Talk, explain to them, ask them questions. They will respond to you well, and they will explain to you how you can go about it, how you can get their grant. I'm a beneficiary of the Bank of Industry grants. And after getting the grant, they have even organized a training, 3-day seminar. They brought resource persons, and the seminar was no. If I was to go myself to go and attend that kind of training, it will have cost me thousands of naira. But just because I'm already a beneficiary from them, my name was included and I was called. And the training was successful, and I gained a lot from what I got from there. So you can go to their offices, wherever they are in your state. It's your business. You have to carry it as if you mean business. So don't just sit down. Stand up, go there, dress properly. Ask questions when you get there. Ask them how you can get grants. Ask them the kind of grant that is on. Ask them questions about loan. The people there are interested. We explain to you. Me, I'm in Oyo State, but you can Google search and search for where they are in your state, where their office is in your state. Go and check them out. Ask them questions. How you can be a beneficiary of the grant from the bank of it. They give out grants every now and then. It's just that the information doesn't go around oftentimes. But if you are close to them, they will know you mean business, and from there you get contact of 1 or 2 persons that you can continue to tell. Just make friends with them and they will give you information. I hope you understand. So if this video has been valuable to you, please don't forget to give it a like and please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. And I promise you that every content coming from this channel is going to be valuable to you, and you are going to gain a lot because your financial life is going to be transformed. So in my next video, I'm going to be sharing or teaching us how to save up. You know, the bootstrapping that I mentioned as number 1. I know some of us have this challenge of the work what I'm earning right now is not even enough to cater for the bills. How I did mine, I'm going to be sharing it in the next video. You can save even if you are earning a token every day, or if your salary is not much. How to save and still be able to have something at the end of the day, something substantial at the end of the day. I'm going to be sharing it with us in my next video. Thank you. Love you all. God bless you.